I couldn't be a student. I couldn't exercise. I couldn't even sit in bed without being in pain. Well, I was involved in a motor vehicle accident in 2022. I was hit from behind on the highway. I'm a totally different person. I feel like I really lost myself there for a while. I wasn't even me. High-level anxiety, high-level stress.
CFR adjusting stands for Cranial Facial Release. It's a non-invasive technique. It adjusts the bone in the skull.
This really has been life-changing because I was doing chiropractic, I was doing acupuncture, but the results weren't sticking.
I think cranial adjusting has been far more effective in my practice than anything else I've ever done.
CFR started to make the adjustments stick, so I was able to make concrete steps back to health. I can exercise, I can study. I would 100% say I have a better quality of life.